Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to personalize your home screen on THERMOMIX TM7. Your home screen can be set to one of the three different modes and then customized even further. You can see my mode is the mode in the middle, because there's a mode that will display only the recipes. There's a mode that will also display only the tools, or a mode that will combine them, and I have the mode that combines them. You can see I have different recipes shown here, the planned recipes for the week, bookmarks, recently cooked, trending recipes, and some recommended ones, as well as a few tools. And I can customize these tools or change the style of the home screen. When I click on Edit Home Screen, I can either select the Daily Inspiration one, then click on Next, and on the very bottom there will be 4 tools that I could change. I won't edit them now, I'll just click on Done, and now you can see it will display some trending, some recommended ones that I could try out, some of my bookmarks, recently cooked, and the modes. If I click on Edit Home Screen, I can switch to the mode that I had on before, or the tool mode. Then in the tool mode I could select different tools. I mean, in any of these 3 modes you can select different tools, and you can see by default it set some, but let's say I don't need a tutorials mode, then I could edit it and set for example the kettle mode instead of that. Then instead of the well, I do use all of these, but let's say instead of the rice cooker I could do the My Week button, and then when I click on Done, I can use these modes. For example, open the manual mode very easily. I could open My Week, which will display the things planned for the week, and some other things. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.